Long's trying to get to a comfort level and still do the things that we think he has to do, like that. Line a single to center field to base it for Jeter as Gardner scores, and now the Yankees have cut it to 6-5.
That is beautiful hitting. A guy that is a great major league hitter, Derek Jeter, staying back, gets a breaking ball and a fastball count. Doesn't try to do it to a whole lot here. Stays back, big curveball. Lackey saying, okay, you have to hit my curveball. This ball is up enough. His foot down, that stride that Kevin Long was talking about.